guys, let me just change positions. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you stay. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and comment down below what are going to be your favorite items. And today we have Allure. I haven't even opened it yet, but here it is. Allure beauty box for the month of June. If you want to see what I got in this Allure box for 15 bucks, stay tuned. So let's get it cracking. So Allure is a $15 a month subscription. I did sign up on their website. However, I have heard that you can sign up through Amazon. That's perfect. I just didn't. And when you sign up, you get a free gift. So this box is so packed and heavy, and I have already seen a few videos, but I want to see what I got. So when we open it up, we have a beautiful pamphlet with a lovely young lady. And in the pamphlet, it tells you about the products that are inside the box and what the person recommending it thought about it. So we will refer to this. So first up, I see we have Pure Lease. This is the watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. It says it is for all skin types. It is 3.4 fluid ounces and 100 mLs. This is definitely full size. And it's got all these watermelons all across. Right here, this pays for the box for me. So, perfect for inflammation control, graceful aging. Beauty tip, use on dry skin for a deeper clean. And here's the packaging. There's still a seal, but you can totally smell it. It's so fruity. Good Lord. That watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B6, C to keep skin energized and hydrated. The charcoal helps to remove toxins from the skin and controls excess oil. White tea protects skin from cellular damage and soothes sensitive skin with whole oat inside. Tiny sample that I must have got from Ipsy, and it's like their watermelon gel for the face. Amazing. So let's see what they say about this. Okay, right here it says the full size would be $18. That's awesome if I wanted to repurchase. And she said usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has big potential to dry out my sensitive skin, and yet I keep reaching for my watermelon plus charcoal cleanser. And she's been using it twice a day. Awesome. Next, we have Belief. And this is their Believe in Truth, 10 mLs or 0.33 fluid ounces. The True Cream, Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. And you have the little stamp there. This is recommended by Gabriella Thorne. Full size would be $38. You can find it at Sephora. And it does have... Hey guys, I interrupt this message to let you know that this is a secret giveaway. The secret code is watermelon sugar. Leave it in the comment down below. Use it in a sentence. Shh, it's a secret. In order to be entered into this giveaway, you have to be 18 years or older. You must be subscribed, like this video, and comment with the words, I turn to Belief's new Aqua Balm formula, an update from the brand's super popular gel cream. I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. Let's grab some texture. I like the little cap, it's so cute. And then let's rub it over here. So it does have like that slimy texture, but it's fading away. very soothing. And again, very light on the fragrance. I like that. I have one next to my bed. All right, what's next? Vienza Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. Full price would be $28. This oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion. And let's see the coloring. I believe everybody pretty much got the same thing. You can find this on Vienza.com. Oh yeah, it's bright pink. Like on the camera it looks red. It's really like a magenta, fuchsia. Maybe that's better. Already open. So this is really nice. Oils: coconut, vitamin E oil, rice bean oil, avocado oil, carrot oil, chia seed, black sesame seed, flaxseed oil. Wow. We have Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. This is $9, full size, and it has an Ultra Shine Gel Palette. These are like you just went to the salon. That's what it says. Wears just like you went to the salon, and it tells you how to apply them. I will have to try these out. You get 34 strips. That's really cool. And next, on the bottom of the box, but I'm going to take it out first, we have Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing Brightening 2-step oil sheet mask. So the 2 steps are, there's a sheet mask in here, and then you put the oil. So you open up the oil, there's the steps, you put that all over your face, then you put the mask for 15 minutes and gently pat any remaining serum just like the rest of the mask. This is great. So it's nourishing and brightening. Full size would be $10. Very nice. And last in the box, we have these Sang Pre Gold Black Pearl Eye Masks. And it actually has black pearl, gold, and rose in there. So they're little eye patches. Let's see what it says. $60 for the little tin. That's what it says right here. Okay. In a full size, you would get 60 patches in one tub. Enough mask selfies to last an entire month. Wow. We have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 products for $15. And again, they were the nail, just like gel palette, the 2-step skin mask, the eye mask, the Perlice watermelon and charcoal cleanser, the Vienza lip oil, and the Belief Aqua Balm right here. So for $15, it is definitely worth it, even if I just got this one thing, and this happens to be full size. So I love it. I think this box is totally worth it. This was the only makeup, but I still like it. Let me know what you guys think. If you think this was a great box, should I keep going? I mean, why not? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe before you leave, and let me know your thoughts. And always stay safe.